how to find WhatsApp numbers. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can find your WhatsApp number on WhatsApp app. So let's get started. So at first on this process, you will have to firstly open the WhatsApp app with your logged in account. So simply you have to open the WhatsApp, and from here you will have to go the option three dots just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and from here you will have to go the option settings. All right, so from here you will have to click on your profile section just at the top left corner of the screen. So simply you have to tap on your profile section, and now from here you will get the interface with your name, about, or your phone number. So now from here you can get your contact number which is linked with your WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful to you, and if any queries or arises, just let me know them in comment section below. I will surely cover up that videos or mention topics on next videos too. And please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.